Hello friends, this is Shivam and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, we'll be exploring an awesome library called Pypolars, which is supposed to be an alternative to Pandas. So today we'll see whether it can beat Pandas or not. So I think you know what Pandas is. Pandas is one of the basic libraries like every data scientist come across, and it is super powerful. It is very fast and easy to use Python library used for data analysis and manipulation. So it is like used in day-to-day task of a data scientist. So from creating data frames to reading files from different formats like text, JSON, Excel, everything can be done from using Pandas. Okay, like combining multiple data frames and all, splitting it, slicing it, everything. So it is mainly used for data pre-processing part in machine learning, if I talk in particular. So what benefit does Pypolars give us? So what is Pypolars? You can see the documentation here. Okay, so it is blazingly fast data frames in Rust and Python. So it is like a fast library like implemented in Rust. Okay, and the best thing about it is Pypolars is like it is similar to Pandas, which makes it easier to switch to a new library. Okay, and you can see that these are the functionality that it supports, like filter, shift, join, sorting, reverse, everything. You can see here, check it out. And there are supposed to be like two APIs. Okay, that is eager API and lazy API. So the eager API is similar to Pandas, that is the execution will take place immediately and the result is produced, like operations like performing some aggregation, join, grouping. You can see these things. Okay, which can be performed in eager mode and which can be performed in lazy mode. So what is lazy API? Lazy API is like a PySpark. So if you have used PySpark, then you will know like there is a lazy execution there. Okay, so it uses the RDDs, the resilient distributed data set. So there in that is in PySpark. So what is in lazy API is like here you will, it is same as PySpark. It is, you have to give a query and it is first converted into a logical plan. Okay, and the plan is optimized and recognized to reduce the like the execution time and the memory usages. So once the result is requested, the like the polars, what it does is distribute the task into multiple resources and parallelize the task on the fly and give you the output after that. So it is same as the lazy execution of PySpark. So without much delay, let's start coding. And firstly, we have to look into how to install this. Okay, so let's, I have not yet installed it, so let's copy this part. Okay, yeah, so let's go to the terminal here and just do a pip install Pypolars. So let's wait for some time till it installs. And in that time, I'll be opening my Jupyter notebook where we'll be coding things out. Okay, and let's see, let's go to our thing. So import Pypolars SPL. Okay, and then we'll create a data frame. Okay, so df is equal to pl dot, same as pandas. Okay, so pl dot data frame, and we'll like you have to give a dictionary here in the form of like JSON. So city, say I'll give A, B, I'll give just like till H, or maybe. You know, this is the toughest part to write one by one. Okay, so we have done this one. Then what you're gonna do is we'll just put it here like um, say temperature. Oh my god, just okay. Same, you have to put it here like 30, 27, 32, 38. Okay, so let me copy this for, sorry. Okay, so let me see if it's installed or not. So yeah, it is installed. Let's run this file. It's taking some time. I think first time it takes time to load the dependencies, and also it is successfully, you can see that it is over. Let's check out this df. So here you can see that okay, So you can see that its type is also giving like str, and this is int64 and city and temperature. Good. So let's check out like df.types. No, it doesn't work. So it doesn't work because it is d types. Okay, so it is Pypolars data types and Pypolars data types. int64, this is string utf8. Okay, and if I want to try like, sorry, df.columns, most probably city and temperature. Great. So df.head. Okay, and let's say for same thing. Okay, so this is good. And if I want to query something out like df say temperature um, greater than 30. Here you can see 30 to 38, 30 to 38. So these are the city. So it is same as pandas, and it is looking really fast because the data set is very small. Okay, we have to try it on larger data sets as well. So we can see also an example like how to concatenate like another data frame. Okay, so let's concatenating. Okay, so let's uh, derive another one. Okay, so let's do import numpy as np. Okay, and do our df1 is equal to pl dot data frame, sorry. Okay, and we'll give something called humidity. Okay, and this will be np dot random dot rand, and there will be like 8 entries. Okay, since here you can see that there are 8 entries here. Okay, so we'll be giving 8, and let's print this stuff out. So you can see that we have got this data frame. Now what we'll do is we'll merge it, like we'll concatenate. So this Pypolars give you two things like virtual stack and horizontal stack, h stack and v stack, same as pandas. So you can do it like dot h stack df1, okay, dot get columns, like which columns you want to merge with. So you can see that it has successfully merged this stuff. Okay, so you can see that humidity, this part is float, so it is giving you float 64 in 64, and this is string. So great. Next what we can do is we can let's do a virtual stack also. So df2 is equal to df dot clone. Okay, so we'll clone this first, and then what we'll do is df2 dot virtual stack df. So here you can see it is virtual stack the thing. So same thing you can see 2 times. Okay, so make sure that while virtual stacking the columns are equal, like same. So this is over. Now let's try with like loading a csv file. Okay, so data is equal to pl dot read csv, same as pandas read csv. Okay, so I have one file here, so let's load this one. Okay, so you can see that data.head, if I do, here is the file you can get. So you're getting the data types as well. So this is missing in pandas, so we can see here directly like which is what data types. So you can find it out using other information like at df.info. If you do, then you'll get all the types. df.dtypes, you can get all the types of them, of the each and every column. So this is good. Next, if you want to check, this is the type of this one. So type data, so Pypolars frame data frame, good one. So next what we want to do is this Pypolars is not yet supported with matplotlib. Okay, so this is one disadvantage. So what you can do is you can convert this to pandas directly. So pandas, let me do a pandas df is equal to data dot, there is a function to pandas. Okay, yeah, so using this you can convert this into pandas data frame. So if you do a type, okay, pandas df, and you can see pandas code data frame. So it is converted into pandas data frame right now. So this is what happened, everything in eager mode. Okay, so let me another block and write here eager, sorry, eager mode. sorry. Okay, so this was eager mode. Next we'll check out the lazy mode of it, like you used to do in PySpark. Okay, so lazy mode. So how to implement the lazy mode is very simple. So you have to do it, import Pypolars as PL, as we did before. From Pypolars you do dot lazy. Okay, then import star. Okay, so I'm sorry, there is a typing mistake. Okay, and now what you'll do is a lazy df, okay, is equal to df dot lazy. Sorry. So that's it. If you just print this thing out, then you can just check out this. Okay, see, this is Pypolars dot lazy frame. So it is now a lazy frame from DataFrame. Okay, so if you see the df part, this is the df thing that you got. Okay, and now you have got this lazy df. So now in PySpark, if you see that df dot like, it will not print out using head. Okay, if you try this out, see, there is no attribute called head here. So in same as in PySpark, you have to give a collect function. Okay, so here you can see that you can, using a collect function, you can print the stuff right here. So that's it. Using a lazy mode, you can do, like, if you have a bigger data set, like what we do in PySpark, similar to this, you can execute it in lazy mode as well. So you can also do operations, like there are different operations in PySpark, like there is transformation operation, there is actions. Okay, there are two types of operations, like transformations and actions. So there is there are a group of functions are there which comes under transformation, and group of function comes under actions. Okay, in transformation, like map is there, filter is there, so these are transformation operations. So let's try another one out. Okay, so lazy df, okay, is equal to lazy df dot filter. So I want to filter what I want to filter. Okay, so let's do a call. Okay, and I would write temperature. Okay, and greater than I'm sorry, 30. Okay, so now if you go to lazy df dot collective to do, see, it is all the temperatures are coming in greater than 30. Okay, here. So yeah, if you have any doubts, you can always let me know in the comment section. And that's all for this video. uh, it is easier to switch between libraries now, because it is very smooth. The Pypolars is really smooth to work with, and you can see that it supports both, like the lazy mode as well as eager mode. That's a good point here. It has no support with matplotlib yet, and cborn, and also, so that may be coming in the, like, upcoming days. They would implement it as well. So I think that's all for this video, and if you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you have not already subscribed, and share this knowledge with your friends as much as you can, and just don't keep the knowledge within yourself, as I say always. So thank you. Bye bye.